In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Affirm account 2025 step by step. Let's start with where you can sign up. You can create an Affirm account at checkout with a participating partner store directly on affirm.com or in the Affirm mobile app. The experience is very similar in each place, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. A mobile number is required to set up your account. You'll need a phone number from the United States or a US territory. This number is used to verify your identity and to keep your account secure. Each time you sign in at affirm.com, you'll enter your mobile number and receive a 6-digit one-time verification code by text. Enter that code to continue. Affirm will never call, email, or text you to request your verification code, so never share it with anyone. If you ever switch to a new phone number, update your number in your account settings so you don't get locked out. Keep in mind, one phone number can be tied to only one Affirm account. If you're told your number is already in use, reach out to Affirm support through their help center to get it resolved. For extra security, set up a passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID in the app. If you don't already have a passcode, you'll be prompted to create one during sign-in, and you can also set or change it later in your account. This adds a strong layer of protection for your personal and financial info. Now, let's walk through signing up in the app. Download the free Affirm app from the App Store if you're on iOS or from Google Play if you're on Android. Open the app and follow the prompt to enter your mobile number, then choose Next. To receive your verification code, when asked, enter your legal first and last name and your email address. Double check that the spelling matches your official documents. Using your legal name helps Affirm verify your identity and avoid delays. Next, enter your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information helps Affirm confirm it's really you and determine your eligibility for services. Enter it carefully and privately. To finish, tap Create Account. That's it. Your Affirm account is ready. From here, you can sign in with your mobile number and verification code and your passcode or biometrics if you enabled them. If anything doesn't match or you run into an error, review your details for accuracy or contact Affirm support for help. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your account settings before you start using Affirm.